Hello students, today's topic is tables in MS Word. Okay, yes, chapter number 4, tables in MS Word. Okay, so how we create tables in MS Word? First of all, open MS Word file like this, click on insert, then click on tables. Okay, now when we click on table, it shows like this type of checks. Okay, means number of rows, many of columns, many of rows. So how many rows or columns we want, then click on it, like 4 column 3 row or 3 column 3 row. Okay, whatever you want, like this, then click. Okay, so 3 column on 3 rows are inserted in MS Word. Okay, now the next thing is how we insert tables in insert table option. Okay, first of all, click on empty file space like this, click on table, insert table, and fill number of columns like 4 or number of rows like 4 or 5, then click on OK. Okay, so 4 columns and 4 rows table are inserted. Now next thing is how we delete table. Okay, first of all, select table, then click on layout, then click on delete, and last one option is delete table. So click on delete table. Okay, next one is how to increase or decrease width of table column. Okay, means this space. So hold your mouse in the uh, column or row line like this. The mouse cursor will be changed in double arrow. Okay, now click and decrease the size. Okay, or increase the size. Okay, so increase, decrease, whatever you want, you can easily do with the help of mouse. Similarly, you can increase or decrease the width of cell or row, means increase or decrease, whatever you want. The next thing is cell. What is cell? Basically, cell is the covered area or blocked area where any row or any column are intersect each other. Okay, this is a bound area like this. This is cell, this is another cell, this is cell, this is another cell. Okay, so overall there have 16 cells, means uh, first, second, third, fourth, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th. Okay, so overall 16 cells in their table. Now the next thing is when we write any text, their size or their text is increase out of the column width like this. Means SR Public Senior Secondary School quota. When we want this cell is increase or convert into 3 other cells like this. So select this. Okay, design layout, then merge cell. Okay, so these uh, 4 cells or 4 columns are converted into one single cell or a single row. Okay, so this is merge option. Okay, when we merge 2 or more cells, okay, it convert in a single unit like first, second. Okay, then click on merge cell. This is 1 unit. This one. Okay, click on merge cell. It convert 1 unit. Okay, this is merge cell. Similarly, merge cells option, its opposite one is split cell. Basically, split cells are convert single unit into multiple cells. Okay, like click on a cell and then click on layout, then split cells. When we click split cells, it shows a dialog box, means number of columns, means how many cells or how many columns we want. Just I write 4. Okay, means this single cell are convert into 4 columns. Then click on OK, like this: first, second, third and fourth. Okay, this option is called split cells. Okay, so in this chapter we have practically implement the creation of tables in MS Word, merging, splitting, increase the height and width of cell. Okay, uh, and we also move our table in any position in file, like table handler or table option. Click and drag, click and drag. Okay, whenever you want this table, you have to just drag this table. Okay, similarly we have to give style like design. Okay, then table style, click on any design like this. Our table is converted into this style or this type of formatting, like this, anything else. Okay, so this is table style. So today's class we have to practical table in MS Word, and we have to implement search options like creating tables, increase, decrease, row height, width, splitting, merging. Okay, so please do practical at your home of this class. Okay, thank you.